大家好，我的频道是诚心推荐 Aliexpress 和 Amazon 产品，我将上传视频，每周星期2、4、6，欢迎大家订阅，谢谢。
Lens is it does have a very nice filter kit for it, so we can attach filters to this lens. That's a huge plus. So that leaves 2 spots left. Who's going to be runner-up and who's going to hit the #1 spot? Drum roll, please. Coming in at number 2 is going to be the Moondog Labs Anamorphic Lens. This is one of my favorite lenses. I've used this lens for the last 2 years. I bought the original lens and I used the original lens in this testing. Keep in mind that Moondog Labs has just updated their anamorphic lens, but I did contact Moondog Labs and they did not change the optical glass in their new update. They just redesigned the housing and redesigned the attachment system. So the new attachment system is a 12.5mm threaded base, and they still do offer a universal 37mm threaded base, but the housing has been updated. Optically, they're the same though. This This is going to be on the expensive side, $210 if you buy the filter adapter for this lens. The lens itself is $175, but if you buy the filter kit for it, you're going to spend $210 on this lens, so it's on the expensive side. But it does have universal compatibility with if you get the 37mm threaded base. I've had 0 issues mounting this in every video cage that I've tested it on with no vignetting, no issues whatsoever. So this lens has about the best universal capability you can with every phone on the market. Number 1, guys, which might not be a surprise to you if you've been following my channel, is the newly released Ulanzi Anamorphic. Ulanzi slammed the ball out of the park with this lens. Video performance-wise, there was a couple of hard hits, but a couple of big wins. All these lenses distort, but Ulanzi distorted just a little bit more than the other 4 lenses. But it had really good low light performance right behind the sandbar. It had really good flare. I think it was number 3 in the flare department. It has very good focus pull on it. It has very good bokeh. So overall video performance was very good. But what really makes this lens stand out among all these other lenses here is the price. I've had people report to me that they found it as cheap as $28 USD. It goes up to